Okay, so this is a demo of the wireless kill switch that I installed in my son's car, the latest version I'm trying. This is the transmitter. It has an on-off button, a nice big antenna. I asked my son to step on the gas pedal and to not let it go, because I will be the one stopping him. So let's see how it works. Okay, buddy, go ahead. I'll turn it on. There it goes. So I'm gonna try to stop him. And he stopped. Going again. I'll stop him. Going again. Try to stop him. Going again. So the range is pretty good. Gonna stop him again. Going again. So the range is really good this time. I'm very happy. Let's try to stop him again. There you go. There you go. And if I retract the antenna, let's see. So I'll try to stop him. See how that doesn't work now? So the antenna really matters. Oh, that worked. So yeah, overall very happy with the range. In another video I will show how I did the wiring and post links to the different parts that I used to get this to work. Thanks for watching, guys.